The Apple 14-inch MacBook Pro powered by the new M5 chip isn't just another upgrade. It's a bold leap into the future of portable computing, blending extreme performance with breathtaking efficiency and stunning design. This device is made for creators, coders, designers, editors, engineers, and anyone who demands next-level power inside a compact machine. Apple has redesigned every part of this model to push boundaries in speed, graphics performance, battery life, thermal management, and intelligent optimization, making it the most advanced 14-inch Pro laptop ever created. From the moment you lift the lid, the Liquid Retina XDR display bursts with color accuracy and brightness unmatched in the industry. The M5 chip inside doesn't just run apps, it predicts tasks, enhances workflows, and adapts in real time using on-chip AI accelerators. You get insanely fast render times, smoother multitasking, and performance that stays consistent no matter how heavy the workload gets. The build quality remains iconic, carved from a single block of recycled aluminum that feels premium yet rugged. Every port, speaker, key, and pixel is engineered for professionals who need reliability. And with new efficiency cores, battery life pushes to incredible new limits. This is more than a laptop. It's a performance revolution designed to redefine creative and professional computing on the go. M5 chip architecture explained. The heart of the 14-inch MacBook Pro is Apple's M5 chip, a silicon powerhouse built on a next-generation 2-nanometer process that dramatically boosts performance per watt. Apple has redesigned its high-performance cores to deliver faster processing with lower thermal output, meaning you get more speed without the fans going crazy. The neural engine is now significantly more capable, performing trillions of operations per second to accelerate AI-driven tasks across video editing, 3D modeling, audio engineering, automation, and more. The upgraded GPU architecture uses dynamic performance scaling to allocate power intelligently across active tasks, ensuring smooth playback, real-time rendering, and next-level graphics acceleration. Unified memory architecture continues to shine, now offering greater bandwidth and extremely low latency. The M5 also introduces new hardware-level optimizations for pro apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Blender, Xcode, and DaVinci Resolve. It's not just faster, it's smarter, optimizing energy use based on workload predictions. Altogether, the M5 makes this 14-inch MacBook Pro one of the most efficient and versatile machines ever built for creators and professionals. Battery life that feels unreal. Apple has pushed efficiency to an entirely new level in the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M5 chip, offering some of the longest battery life ever seen in a pro-grade laptop. Through smart power distribution, improved performance cores, and machine learning-based workload prediction, the MacBook can intelligently lower energy consumption without compromising performance. For browsing and lighter tasks, it easily stretches past 18 to 20 hours on a single charge. During heavy workflows like 4K editing or software development, battery endurance remains impressively strong compared to previous generations. Apple redesigned thermal algorithms to allow cooler operation, reducing battery strain during demanding tasks. Fast charging continues to be a highlight, letting you regain hours of use in minutes. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or powering through long creative sessions, this MacBook offers reliable, long-lasting performance that keeps going strong all day. It's engineered to be a powerhouse you can trust anywhere. Pro-level performance for creators. The M5-powered 14-inch MacBook Pro is built specifically for creators who need consistency, reliability, and insane speed across all professional applications. Video editors get seamless playback of multiple 8K streams, faster rendering, and real-time color correction with minimal lag. Musicians and audio producers can handle massive multi-track projects with low latency and high plugin counts. Graphic designers and illustrators benefit from smoother canvas interaction, hyper-accurate color output, and faster exports. 3D modelers see major improvements in rendering time, viewport responsiveness, and simulation performance. Coders experience faster compilation, more responsive virtual environments, and smoother multitasking across tools. Apple's Pro App optimizations ensure that every workflow runs as efficiently as possible. Whether you're editing a documentary, producing a soundtrack, building an app, or designing 3D assets, this machine removes bottlenecks and delivers top-tier performance every time. Design, build quality, and durability. Apple retains its iconic design philosophy with the 14-inch MacBook Pro while refining materials and durability for long-term reliability. The aluminum unibody is crafted from high-quality recycled materials, offering exceptional strength while maintaining a lightweight feel. The edges are smooth, the hinge is sturdy, and the overall chassis feels premium and rigid. Apple improved internal mounting structures to better protect components from impact and vibration. The device is available in elegant finishes that resist fingerprints and scratches. The design is both beautiful and functional, with speaker grills, ventilation, ports, and display bezels arranged for maximum efficiency. It's a laptop built not just to look great, but to survive the demanding environments of professionals, travelers, and creators who push their machines daily. Its durability and attention to detail ensure it performs flawlessly for years. Why it's the best 14-inch Pro laptop ever. The Apple 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M5 chip earns its place as the top-tier compact professional laptop thanks to its unmatched combination of performance, display quality, battery life, and intelligent engineering. No other device in its size delivers this level of computing power while staying cool, quiet, and energy efficient. It brings next-gen AI processing, lightning-fast GPU capabilities, and an optimized ecosystem that elevates pro apps to new heights. For content creators, coders, designers, engineers, musicians, and multitaskers, it provides the smoothest, fastest, and most reliable experience available. Its build quality is unmatched, its display is industry-leading, and its overall design reflects Apple's signature blend of beauty and purpose. Whether you're buying your first MacBook or upgrading from a previous model, this M5 version represents the future of portable professional computing. It's simply the most complete 14-inch Pro laptop ever made. The Apple 14-inch MacBook Pro powered by the M5 chip is a game-changing machine built for people who don't want limits in their daily workflows. With industry-leading performance, stunning visuals, immersive audio, long battery life, and a design that continues to set global standards, it delivers a user experience that's powerful, polished, and future-ready. If you're a creator, developer, professional, or someone who just wants the best tools for your work, this MacBook is an investment that elevates productivity and creativity like never before. It's engineered to last, designed to impress, and optimized to help you unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech videos. See you in the next one.